got a 2010 Camaro Super Sport. We're gonna be installing the 2 SS gauge pack, and we have the little gauge adapter here. It's supposed to be plug and play. Bought it off eBay. Tell it's been sitting in the shop a while. Thinking about selling the old Camaro. I bought a 41 Chevy pickup. I think I'm gonna start working on here. I'm gonna LS it. Okay, so this thing just looks like it pushes in. So hopefully it just pops right out. Some plastic pry bars that are well worn. Okay, there it is. There's the plug-in, the gauge pack. That's what the little plug-in is. And then I gotta find this big plug here and unplug it and plug in this little jumper. Okay, I pulled back this side panel. I'm guessing that is the big plug. So I'm gonna unplug it, plug in the jumper, and fish the little gauge wire up here. I pulled the side panel off, just slid the seat back, pushed right out, and plugged the harness in here. Here's the other half. I left the clip in here, tucked her under, ran this thing up, and ran it right through here. So I'll just throw this side panel back on. This thing's been off before. It looks like it's got a little chip here. Looks like it's broke here, but we're good enough. Something sounds good. CTS. There's missing a clip here, broken clip here. Check that out. Alright, so this clip's broke. Where this little chip is. Ever had this panel off last? Broke this little clip here. So I'm just gonna drill a small hole in this plastic, run a black zip tie, and it pushes into this. I'll just run the black zip tie around there, tighten it up so that panel holds tight on that side. Got the little zip tie in there. Could cut this off, but I'm not going to. That way if anybody takes this panel off in the future, they'll see that obvious zip tie there. You can tell I'm in a virus protection mode here. Got my two most important things: pistol and hand sanitizer. Okay, so got that panel zip tied. Got this wire ran up here. This is the original wire. So we're gonna set in the new gauge pack and hook up the 2 harnesses.
Oh, how is it going on down there? Yeah, it's two little push-in prongs. Wiring's out of the way. Just snap that in there.
Okay, well, my phone was full memory, so hopefully it recorded all that. So I drilled a small hole in the side panel and put a little black zip tie. Pushed this in, plugged in the main harness for the cigarette lighter and the traction button. Plugged in a little new harness for the gauge pack. Wiped it down with a paper towel. Now we're gonna see if it works. You got voltage. Peace. Stay safe. Don't get the sickness. Make another little quick video here in case you guys don't know how your traction button works. Hit it once. Turns traction control off. Quick hit it twice. Turn StabiliTrak competitive mode on. Okay. Then if you hold down the button, it will turn traction control and stability control off. And then when I got the car, it did not have this little key here. I had a recall on this that people would bump it with their knee, and it had a little blank in here with a actual key. So I brought the key into my locksmith and had him make this. So I put this back in, and never thought it was ever going to be a problem, but I did autocross this one time, and believe it or not, I came up and bumped that bitch, and the car turned off, and I thought it broke it. And anyway, luckily I didn't slide into a concrete wall or anything exciting. But that's the one and only time. I think I had the seat up a little bit closer than normal when I was autocrossing it, getting my rally on. I do have a couple of videos of this thing, but do a little walk around. Bought a new little light I need to put in here. I did just put this for sale. Anybody wants to spend some hard-earned cash? Bought this one wrecked. Replaced the fender, the door, whole right front suspension. I had this quarter pulled on a frame rack locally. Just need to button it up, really. I bought a brand new front bumper for it. I gotta get that painted, this whole side painted. Get this thing sold as well, get some money in my pocket. This thing has a little matte orange wrap on it. I bought it wrecked. So I put the original bumper on for a while. And then I bought a new bumper from Chevy. Bought some cheap eBay exhaust. Bought some cheap eBay headers, which was the worst idea I've ever done. Returned those, bought some Speed Engineering headers. And they fit like a glove. Took the orange out of the inside and cleaned it up, made it kind of stock looking again. and I've been rocking it.